Hi my people, welcome in our today's tutorial, and it's another great moment. We are going to learn a new trick, not necessarily a new to some of you, but it's a very important trick when it comes to database management. And on this great day, we are going to learn how to create reports in Access. Whether you are using Office 365, either you are using 2007, 2016 or 2010. Okay, and in this tutorial we are going to learn the significance of having reports actually helps us to be able to filter our data. Like, reports helps to communicate how your data appears and what's in your data, so that we can customize your report. Let's say, like, you have a table, large table, but you just want to produce a report of a sample of it meeting certain criteria. So we are going to learn how to do so. So to create a report, first you open your data you want to create report from. For this one, I'm using a table. We can also have a query, so that you are running another query for report query, so that to generate a report for that query you have already carried. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use this our table, which we have used in the previous episodes, episode 1, episode 2, and now the episode 3, and this one also. So we are going to create. Just on the menu bar, you click create, then you navigate to report. So from report, we can see that this is a preview of our report data that appears here. From here we can see, yes, we have your data here, like that, but we want at least to customize it. And also, when you see this report, yes, you want to print it, but if you try to print it like this way, at the print preview, you can see that our data is being cut, so that, yes, the layout is not good. So we shall exit the print preview, so that we can make the adjustment where possible. To make adjustments here, so that we can have your report fit well when it comes to printing. So you just come at view, then you choose layout view. So from layout view, you can have your data, so that from here you can easily adjust them, so that you just click at that column you want to resize. We want to resize this column because it's too large, too big, so you just resize it to that position you like. We can also resize this one, so that we make sure all our data is on the preview well, so that we can also print preview. Yes, from here we can see our data is like this, but one thing, not all the data is here, so we can exit the print preview. So from here we can also, if we want to include like something like page numbering or other information that are on this side, you can just drag them to that position you will like them to appear, so that when I drag them, so that we can have it at this position, just like that. And from here you can able to customize. You can remove the data like you want, like this one, which has just calculated the salary total. You can see there salary total, but we don't want it, so you can just delete it. So from there we have our data there. So from here we want to learn, so that we want to create a custom report. This is a report that generates all the data for this all data we have in our table. So we just want to customize this, and we want to sort this data using the salary field, so that, let's say, we want to create a report that will generate details of employees who are earning a salary greater than $7,000. Okay, to do so, you come and click here, and then you right click. From there you right click, then we come to number filters. So we want to filter our data, not our report to have the entire data of all the data we have in our table. We just want to filter it so that it be specific for employees whose salary is greater than 7,000. So directly, yes, you can click here, we have equals to this, but we want to have a custom which is 7,000. We don't have here 7,000, greater than 7,000. So we come to greater than. So here you can see create custom filter. So we say salary is greater than or equal to, we type the 7,000, then we click OK, and that's how we can see that it has filtered our data. We have our data so that we have only those employees whose salary on their pay slip is greater than 7,000. So from here we can still further, we can sort this data because it's not sorted. So we're still going to sort with the same field, and we are going now to sort from using the smallest to largest, so that the data can be in order. We can be easy to navigate through and see the side that we have. If it is from 7,000 descending, or 7,000 ascending, from 7,000 to from the smallest to largest, or from largest to smallest. So from here you can see our data. So we're just going to sort it using smallest to largest, so that you can start from 7,000 then moving upward. So that's how we have sorted our data. We can see we have 7,000, 9,000, so that we can see, and our report for employees is here. So this is just how we create custom reports in Microsoft Access. So because we will want to print our reports, so it's also good so that we can save your report to print out later. Just can come here, you click close, then you can see you want to save changes to the design of report, employee payslip. You say yes. From there you can name it employee payslip. Okay, you can just re-edit it. Salary greater than. Just be easy for you to understand. Okay, so you can just save it like that, and that's how we create reports in Access. So if you like the video,